Before the test, please wash your hands. Take off the swab, test device and buffer solution. Then open their packaging. Tilt your head back. Gently insert the swab into one of your nostrils about 3/4 of an inch deep. You should feel a little resistance but shouldn't feel any discomfort. Rub the swab against the wall of your nostril at least 4 times in a large circular path. Repeat with another nostril. Then remove the entire cap of the buffer solution. Slightly tilt the vial to ensure the swab tip is fully submerged into the solution. Stir the swab at least 20 times. Close the entire vial cap tightly. Remove the top half of the vial cap. Slowly squeeze and drip 3 drops of the buffer solution into the circular opening of the test device. No more, no less. Finally, place the test device on a flat surface and wait 20 minutes for the result. Remember not to read the result after 25 minutes, otherwise the result will be considered as invalid. If the C line is present, then the test result is negative. If both the C line and the T line are present, then the test result is positive. In this case, you should contact the local healthcare provider and follow local guidelines for self-isolation. If the C line is absent, regardless whether the T line is present, the test result will be considered as invalid, and you should do another test with a new test kit. For yourself and your family, do your COVID rapid test with INDICAID.